Welcome to Envision Click2Coach training. In this video, I'll give you a brief tour of the Click2Coach interface. Let's start by browsing to the location provided by your administrator, typing your username and password, and logging in. Once the system authenticates your credentials, the default login page opens. In this case, that is the search page. You can choose a different default page by editing the settings in the Preferences area. We'll cover these options in detail in the Setting Preferences videos. Notice that the Search tab is highlighted to indicate that you're in the search area. There are 7 tabs showing here. The tabs in your display will vary by the permissions that you've been assigned. For example, if you're not an administrator, you won't see the Administrator tab. Let's take a brief tour through each of the tabs so you can get a better sense of how to navigate Click2Coach. The dashboard page shows you the Agent Evaluation Trends report and any other reports that you have added to your dashboard. You can edit, delete, or refresh a report by clicking in the header row to display an action menu. You can also collapse reports by clicking the triangle in the upper right-hand corner of each report. The Search tab allows you to search for recordings in several different ways. You can use a free-form text search with wildcards and quickly see all recordings that match your criteria. You can save searches for reuse later, or you can select from a wide array of detailed search filter options. We'll cover more details in the searching and filtering videos. Under the Recordings tab, you see subsections or pages. These provide various ways to work with recordings. The Agents page displays a list of agent groups or sites on the left. You can expand a site by selecting the triangle to the left of the site name. And you can expand a group to see the agents within that group by selecting the triangle to the left of the group name. Here we have expanded the Seattle site, and within that we see the individual agents in the support group. Now we can click an agent's name, and we see a list of her recordings appear in the content area. We can then work with individual recordings by using any of the right-click options, which we cover in detail in the Managing Recordings videos. Clicking on the Inbox page, we can see the recordings that have been forwarded to us by agents or other supervisors. Click the Forwarded Recordings folder to see them and work with them. When you request a receipt from a recording you forwarded, that receipt will appear in the Return Receipts area when your recipient opens the forwarded recording. We'll cover the steps for forwarding recordings and requesting receipts in the videos on working with recordings. The Schedules page allows you to see several configurable schedules for each agent in the group you select. A schedule contains parameters for call recording when you are not recording all calls. From here you can manage individual agent schedules. We'll cover more details in the Schedules video. The e-learning page provides a work area to collect and organize best practice clips created from agent recordings, web clips, and videos that you create from your desktop. Here we've expanded the e-learning home folder and selected the sales queue. And the clips in the sales queue folder display in the content area. We'll cover more details about e-learning clips and folders in the e-learning videos. On the Templates page, you can view and edit schedule templates, which you then apply to agents or groups to set how frequently the system should record their interactions. Here we can also create, edit, and publish evaluation templates. These will be the forms we use to measure performance. When reviewing recorded interactions, evaluation forms help us to identify exceptional performance and coaching opportunities. In the Evaluation area on the Templates tab, we manage the forms that evaluators use to score calls. We'll cover the mechanics of building and publishing evaluation templates, including articles and suggestions for good template design, in the Creating Evaluation Templates videos. The Review Advocate page is where supervisors or evaluators can see agent recordings sent by agents for re-review. It is visible only to users who were assigned the Review Advocate's role, and the role must be active. Now let's move to the Notifications tab. Here you'll see the Alerts page, where you can configure real-time alerts for agents. A Notes page, where you can send a note within Click2Coach to an agent or group of agents. And a Recognitions page, where you create congratulatory notes to send to groups of agents to acknowledge top performers. The Analytics tab provides access to over 50 configurable reports. These reports will provide you with useful insight into a variety of aspects of your operation. For example, the Evaluation by Topic report will show you how your agents are doing, right down to the individual questions from your evaluation forms. To configure report parameters, in the calendar, select the From and To dates that you want the report to cover. Choose the evaluation template you want the report to use, and click Run Report. We'll cover more details about analytics and reporting in future videos. The Workforce Management tab provides access to a suite of tools for administering agent work schedules, and the Administrator tab allows users with the administrator role to manage users in the system. These tabs only appear if you've been assigned those roles. In this video, we've offered a broad overview of the most important tabs in Click2Coach, the pages that are organized underneath those tabs, and some tips for expanding icons and accessing the right-click menu options. After watching this overview, you're ready to move on to the other videos.